Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see the friend request you sent on Roblox. So first you need to log in on your Roblox account. Then click the three lines or the three bars on the left side. Now click people. That will lead you to the menu where you can search for people. Now type in the character name you want to find. Don't randomly send friend requests to random people. Chances are they won't accept and will ignore. And don't keep sending them requests over and over if they decline. They'll think you're annoying if you do this and may block you. Next, find the character to go their profile. Scroll down and locate the user you want to find. After that, click Send Friend Request. You can also accept the friend request by going there. Find the user, and if they send you a request, it should say Accept Request. Click it and the bottom should change. And last, wait for them to either accept or decline. You'll receive a message if they accepted. Once they do, say hi and wait for them to respond. Then go on to playing games together and chatting. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.